Jujutsu Kaisen is no doubt one of the most popular animes this season. But how good is it? Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to my first anime review, and today we are going to talk about Jujutsu Kaisen. I wrote a script for reviewing this anime, and I ended up fucking up the lines too many times, and I haven't had a shower in 24 hours. So I'm just going to speak of the things I like and dislike about the anime. When I started watching Jujutsu Kaisen, I had no fucking idea what the anime was about. I was just watching it because it was blowing up the charts all over the world and seemed like a good anime to make my first anime review. But after watching a few episodes, I was totally addicted to the anime and questions kept popping on my mind like, why is Gojo Sensei so much powerful? What's with the panda? And why is the creepy principal obsessed with stuffed toys? Our main protagonist is Itadori Yuji, a high schooler with superhuman strength. Yuji and his friend come across a cursed object, which happens to be 1,000-year-old pickled finger. This finger belonged to the king of curses or Sukuna. During the events of the first episode, Yuji is in such a situation that he has to protect his friends. And in this situation, Yuji does the best thing a shonen protagonist would do: eat the fucking finger. That's what you call finger licking good. In normal circumstances, someone who eats Sukuna's finger would die or end up being Sukuna's vessel. But in Yuji's case, he has the special ability to suppress Sukuna at will. If someone is affected by a special grade cursed object, he has to be exorcised or killed immediately. But seeing Yuji's ability, he is given a choice: either to die now or collect all the 20 fingers of Sukuna and die after he has eaten all of them. Guess which one he chooses? When it comes to the plot, it's not a Shakespearean masterpiece and it's not even that unique. But every minute of the anime is worth watching for its beautiful visuals, well choreographed fight scenes, and some of the best music I have seen this year. Another thing I really loved about the anime was the cursed spirit designs, which were really creepy, by the way, and that's what made me want to watch the anime even more, if that makes sense. The opening is visually pleasing, the music is really good, and I think the opening summarizes everything the anime has to offer. So if you are really skeptical about watching this anime, I suggest that you just go and watch the opening once, and I think you will know why you should watch the anime. So I've run out of shit to say, so just going to end the video. See you guys next week.